guys, so my name is Zain. So I'm playing dinosaurs. And so how that dinosaurs went 60 miles ago. That's our dinosaurs is going to 60 miles ago. So I will show you how the dinosaurs are named. First, this is the T-Rex. The T-Rex, that's something like a goat. That's a large dinosaur in the salon. He had the paddock when he eating the goat. Guys, did you know the Salosper? That's our dinosaurs. And this is the T-Rex. She had the smaller hand, and he had a big face. This is her hand, and he's still very sharp teeth. This is the baby T-Rex. He's going into the paddock. This is the T-Rex. He's taking care of baby. And this is the Spinosaurus. She had a bridge like this, and this looks like a crocodile. And this is her tail. And this is her feet. And this is her hand. This is the Triceratops. Like did you know this? That looks like a horn, and this is how you make roar like this. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button in this video. So this is the, I think this is the Scorpius Rex. He's going to roar like this. Looks like a monster. This is the Parasaurolophus. Guys, this is R2. She had the spike in here, and he had the tail. He had the armadillo. This is her spikes in here, in the back, the tail are very spikes. This is the Elasmosaurus. He's going to swing like this. Don't use this, it will be broken. Every spin. I was here, and I was seeing him. I think he's sleeping. This is the Diplodocus. He had the spikes in here. And the Diplodocus, that's what you're seeing. This is the whole Jurassic. This is the baby Triceratops. He had two spikes, and he had here. And this is the twin. This is the Brachiosaurus. He's the large dinosaur. He had the long neck. He had the large feet. He had the small tail. He was eating like a tree, guys. And this is the Ankylosaurus. He had the look this to hammer it, and looks like a giant spear. And he had Arceus. He looks like a armadillo. This is the Velociraptor, like blue, and this is the Velociraptor. This is her hands. This is her feet. This is her nose in here. And he likes to eat the meat, the pig. And he had the fast and teeth. And the last one is Pteranodon. The Pteranodon, he had yung matulis niya, yung parang nantutuso. And he had the foot. He had the hand in here, did you see? And this is the And this is her. This is her wings to fly it. Looks, he lives in aviary. Alright guys, and for today's video, don't forget to smash the subscribe button in this video. Bye guys, thanks for watching.